The fourth is grandiosity, and the fifth one is pathological compulsion. You have impulsivity, you have distractibility, you have disinhibition, you have grandiosity, and you have pathological compulsion. Let's explain these 5 emotional phenomena that occurs during grandiosity. Impulsivity is an instantaneous reaction or decision made without any sort of foreknowledge. Impulsivity and intuition are often used interchangeably and out of context, but they are mutually exclusive. Clarification. Intuition is predicated on a sort of foreknowledge, a sort of foreknowing. Somewhere deep in your subconscious, you have a sort of precognitive, intuitive sense of knowing before an intuitive decision is made. With impulsivity, it's a decision that is sort of predicated on a sort of instantaneousness. That's impulsivity. Distractibility is self-explanatory. It is the inability to stay focused. And you have disinhibition. Disinhibition is when a manic is removed from cultural nurturing and social conditioning. Then we have grandiosity. Grandiosity, again, is self-explanatory. It is the augmentation of one's ambition. And then you have pathological compulsion. Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand that these are the 5 emotional attributes that are induced during manic episodes. Now, we're going to take a transdisciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a cross-disciplinary, and an interdisciplinary approach to sort of circumvent a number of fascinating phenomena that occurs with mental disorders or mental disease or just atypical